Alright, tops of the doors are getting started, going from here up. These are flip over passenger side, and then this piece is flipped around driver's side, right?
Which one?
These ones are flipped around driver's side, right?
Yeah, so this piece is just this one.
Yeah, flipped over passenger side.
Yeah.
This is flipped around driver's side, except for the last one, which was, we ran out of driver's sides, and so we had to splice two.
And that piece actually needs to come back out again. Lining up two pieces is hard enough as is, just trying to graft something together and have it go straight through. And then having three pieces, it dips down a little bit in here, but also it looks like this section is actually shallower on the stamp than here and here. And so we might double check measurements on some of the other pieces to see if we can find something more consistent with this depth. Either way, we'll get it in and make it not noticeable.
This piece is another added in piece that was just made, and then we're going to make the top parts because we just couldn't get anything off these other doors that was straight enough to make those pieces. So we're going to try to probably make most of the top.
If you look, the front doors, they bow front to back. And so even trying to splice together multiple pieces of other door tops, it's too many dips and too much to straighten out.
I tried to put two together on that door, and it's just not going to work. And then by the time you get done, you got so many splices and so much welding, it's too much work to clean up and make right. So it's kind of an update on where we're at on these doors.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything is gonna be okay.
All right, our welds are kind of taken care of here and ground and, hammer and dolly kind of stuff. We're having a little bit of trouble with the twist on these. Like they were kind of meant to point in, and when you try to straighten them out, they want to point out. So still kind of messing with that. Got our little top piece welded in, some of our inner structure, and just fighting evenness on this and lining up to lines. So it's gonna be this one, the door kind of is coming apart, and this dove in real hard. So that's the kind of stuff I'm gonna try to take care of next and just start to get these a little more, rounded in, a little more lined up. But, it's kind of coming together. Yeah, one piece at a time. One tired day after another.
All it takes is one job, oh yeah. All it takes is one job, and everything